Alright, so I just got the ECU back from Ivan, putting it in the Vaquero. Got a buddy here helping me out. And as you can see, we've unpackaged it, hooked it all back up, and put it into its little slot down there. So Ivan sends a set of instructions for Vaqueros 2015 and up. That goes for the Voyagers as well, I'm assuming. So basically you want to get it all hooked up and make sure the key is in the off position. Now it says turn key ignition for 5 seconds. And it should be an error code. So the on. So we got error 98, 3 1000, 4 1005, and give it another second for good luck, and we're off. Okay, so it recognizes that the ECU is back. Now with your Kawasaki toolkit that comes in the cover plate for your battery, you've got your number 3 Phillips there, and that will take off the negative battery terminal. So we'll take that out. Negative terminal is disconnected for 5 seconds. Bring it back over. Reconnect there. And that's my trickle charger. Great thing for winterizing your bike. There we go. That is reconnected. And that should be it. Yeah, so it's got all my original kilometers on there. Everything is back in place. Let's fire her up. Runs just fine. So another thing on the instructions though as well is if you have a power commander, you want to disconnect the power commander. It seems like it doesn't work with Ivan's tune. He's done a fine job himself. And your O2 sensor, which is down here plugging into your exhaust on your right hand side when you're sitting on your saddle, leads up underneath the right side cover, which you can take off with a 5mm Allen key. And if you just follow this wire up, there it is right here. I'm having troubles unplugging it, but it's a little tabby here, and as soon as I get it unplugged, I'll be finished. Enjoy.